Here's my hallway. There's my house. Number 6. My doorbell. My door. It's locked. Here's the closet, the walk-in closet, first closet I mean. A little dirty, whatever. Then we got the bathroom. Let's get in here. Here's the shower. Okay. Now we have this closet. And this closet goes all the way to this side. There's my boiler. So this is a whole big closet. Okay, next room is a guest room. So far, there's nothing in here. This is gonna be the guest room. We have Jermaine's stuff. And the biggest closet in the house. It's all Jermaine's stuff though. Here's the view outside. Okay. Oh, that's the TV. We didn't put it up yet. And then you have over here the living room, that's the dining room, this is the hallway, over here is the kitchen. We're gonna go to the living room. That's all it is. This is the outside view. Also have a patio. A little porch. We're on the outside though. Here's the dining room. I was just eating. Get this angle. Okay. Here's my kitchen. It's freaking humongous for no reason. Like a million cabinets, double sink, blender, stove, it's electric. I think that's the wrong time. It's pretty clean. A lot of cabinet space for nothing. My refrigerator. Whirlpool. Here's my thermostat. Essential air. Forgot what I was on already. Here's the laundry room that I was supposed to have. This is the hookup, and I just have to get it hooked up. I don't know if you've seen this, but I have the sprinklers everywhere. Let me do this real quick. Get a hallway view. And this is, I don't know what closet. Can I say what it is again? I don't know. Oh, the vents, I guess. This is rooms under construction. Oh, let me show you. This room is under construction. This is where my office is gonna be. But there's a quick view. This room also has a big closet. Nice carpets. This is my room. My humongous closet. Pretty big. Spacious. We have a queen size bed, by the way. It's my favorite lamp in the whole world. Last but not least, my bathroom. Very big bathroom. Okay, so this is my room.